Good morning, students. It's a video of computer subject for class 10th standard. Good morning, students. And today we will do the discussion of e-learning topic. E-learning is a learning that take place in electronically simulated environment. E-learning, web-based training, internet-based training and computer-based training are the next generation instruction method being developed today. With e-learning, user can immerse themselves in three-dimensional environment to further enhance their learning experience. Moreover, e-learning can be done anywhere and anytime as long as user has to proper hardware. E-learning means electronically learning. Okay, what the meaning of e-learning? E-learning means if you done all the learning process with the help of electronically, that process is called the e-learning. Most of in the current time, most of the schools and most of colleges are use the e-learning. Okay, they are provide the all the learning material by electronically. Okay, students, and your school also provide the e-learning facility in current time because in the current time all the schools are closed due to the coronavirus. So all the school will decide the give the learning process as a e-learning. Okay, students, this environment is called the e-learning. And we can develop the e-learning program by web-based training, internet-based training and computer-based training. There are also three types of training. We can provide the e-learning facility. Okay, students, e-learning can be done using an internet connection, a network on an internet or a storage disk. Sorry, internet or a storage disk. Means we can done the e-learning process with the help of internet connection and with the help of network or a internet means a network which are established in particular small region is called the internet. And storage disk means just like a storage disk, example like PDF, oh sorry, like pen drive and hard disk. Okay, students, it uses a variety of media like audio, text, virtual environment, video and animation. E-learning in some way is even better than classroom learning method as it one-on-one learning method. It is self-paced and it has experimental learning format. Means e-learning provide lot of varieties like you with the help of e-learning you can send audio and text, virtual image environment, video and animation. Means we can say that if you learn any topic, if you do the study of any topic with the e-learning, you can got audio, text, virtual environment and video and animation. That is not possible in just like a simple classroom. And e-learning is also beneficial because it's a one-to-one interaction. All the students are doing the one-to-one interaction in e-learning. Benefit of e-learning, there are some important benefits of e-learning given here, and now we will do the discussion out of them. And first one is reduce overall cost. It is less expensive to produce. Means e-learning is very less expensive. If you want to give the online classes to the students, you require only internet and some electronic gadget. But in case of you give the classes to the in real time, yeah, or we can say that in school form you are required lot of area, and you require the a large building, etc. That's why reason e-learning is less expensive. E-learning is self-directed and self-paced. Means in the e-learning, learner control the amount of time. How much time is spent in today? How much time spent in next day? Okay, and they can control all the speed of covering coverage topic. Okay, student, because every student have a different IQ, and some students are learn any topic very fast, and some students are sometimes take a time. So the means in e-learning, every learner can control the speed of coverage courses. Okay, e-learning is interactive and hands-on. Means e-learning is in e-learning maximum teachers use the audio, video, and animation. That's why reason, and e-learning is very interactive. And e-learning is flexible. Learning can take place anytime and anywhere as long as necessary equipment is accessible. Means with the help of e-learn, you can learn anything and anywhere and anytime. When you are free, then you can go for that. Okay. Consistent delivery. E-learning eliminate the problem associated with the different instructor teaching slightly different material on the same subject. Means if you are confused any topic, then you can go for e-learning and you can resolve your problem. Next one is easily manageable, and means for e-learning you are required some equipments and some software. That is not very big target. That's why reason e-learning is very easy. And application of area of e-learning, in the current time in various sectors use the e-learning, and some are given here. Some of them are formal and some of them are informal. First one, we see the formal setup. E-learning courseware. In current time, various companies and various school provide the, and various teachers provide the courseware setup. You can go for that and you can learn that. Okay. E-classroom. This is e-learning setup simulates the classroom by involving class activity like class assignment, class discussion, etc. E-classroom means in e-classroom you can do the class discussion, and teachers provide the class assignments. Okay, students, next one is assignment. This setup conduct the online assignment cues to test for the understanding the students. Various companies and various schools provide the online assignments for their conduct the online assignment and cues to students. It is also a good example of e-learning. E-simulation. E-simulation means the technique of representing the real world by the computer program. In real classes that is not possible. Some reaction of some structure of any human body but with the help of e-learning we can see that thing by the video and the audio. Okay, and there are some non-formal setup, just like a game-based behavioral development, learning support, social and collaborate learning, and massive open online courses. They are also used for it. Okay, so all the students watch this video, and you can also download the PDF of this content, and you will get the PDF of this content below this video. Okay, and I also made playlist of all the video which are done up to today, and you can also watch this video if you are miss any video. And all the students subscribe my channel. If will you subscribe my channel, then you will got notification when I upload my video. Okay, that's all for today, and thank you so much.